Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at one of my favorite resorts, the beautiful Secrets Akumal Resort and Spa. I'm currently in one of the Junior Suite Ocean View rooms. Now, generally for most of our clients, the minimum that they book here is the Ocean View, and I wanted to point out that this particular category comes in both the Preferred Club and Non-Preferred Club variety. I'll talk about that throughout the tour, but just wanted to make sure that you knew that up front. As soon as you walk in the door here, you're gonna have your storage right away. Now, one really cool feature that they have here are their secrets boxes. So this is actually a way for them to deliver room service from the outside. They lock it out there and then you can grab it whenever you're ready. I really love that extra touch because you don't have to run to the door, and you can grab it whenever you want, which is a signature of luxury. Right here, you've got your safe, storage underneath. You've got your iron and ironing board, golf umbrella, and you're also gonna find 2 robes and slippers. I highly recommend that you wear those robes over to the spa here. It's world class, really fantastic. And you can see that and every spot on the resort on our full resort tour if you'd like to check that out. Continuing along, we're now headed into the bathroom. I did want to point out that this door does shut completely, which gives you that little extra level of privacy. You've got your double vanity here. I know my wife and I always love having a double vanity, really nice perk. You have your backlit magnifying mirror. Underneath, you're going to find your hair dryer, your scale, and then also extra towels and storage. You're going to have your amenity kit right here. Now keep in mind, if you go with that Preferred Club variety, you're going to have a much larger enhanced and expanded amenity kit. Finally, I just wanted to point out the Secrets incense. They always have that, and I love that. I did my honeymoon at a Secrets over 12 years ago, and I just remember every time we come back here and light that, you get that memory coming right back to you. You've got the toilet over to the right, and just inside here you have the large shower. There's a full rainforest shower head just above me, and then they also have a shower wand. What I like is that it adjusts all the way up so I can use it. Continuing along, you've got a bench seat here to get ready, and then you also have a floor to ceiling mirror, but this is what it's all about. Of course, this is a adults only resort. This is perfect for that when you want to have that romantic getaway. You've got an extra large jacuzzi soaking tub. Now, I wanted to point out that this particular room that we're in is set up as a king size bed, but this does come in a 2 double variety as well. In the king size variety, this is a sheer curtain. Of course, in the 2 double, it's a blackout curtain to give you the extra privacy. To continue along, you have a hanger rack right here. You've got your temperature controls. Right next to your bed, you have 2 US plugs and all of the light switches. I love that they have those right next to the bed. Makes it really nice and convenient. Your remote control, and then next to the bed on either side, they have these mats, so you don't step off onto the floor. You have that extra level of luxury. Continuing along, you have the bench seat at the foot of the bed, and then on the other side, you're gonna have more US plugs, a little bit of storage underneath here, and then I just wanted to point out these nice little reading lights so that you don't have to disturb your partner in the evening. Now, down at the foot of the bed, you're gonna find your Nespresso maker and the Nespresso pods. Those are replenished as often as you like throughout your stay. I start my day with an espresso at home, so I really appreciate that. You've got your flat panel smart TV right here, and then you also have some upgraded snacks and alcohol amenities that come with being Preferred Club. Underneath, you've got extra storage, and then right here is where you're gonna find your mini bar. It is fully stocked, and you can have that also replenished as you like throughout your stay. Now you've got your sofa and daybed right here. What I like about this is you've got that beautiful accent pop of color. It lets you know that you're in Mexico, but it's not over the top. Continuing along, I wanted to point out that you do have a fan. I really appreciate having one in a hotel room. And you've got your writing desk right here with a chair. Got some plugs for chargers back there. Your other phone, this one is cordless. And I just wanted to point out that the fan controls are tucked just around the corner here so that you don't miss those. One great amenity that they have here is this tablet. So essentially what it does is it places the hotel guide. You can utilize it to find information about the hotel. Maybe you want to find a dining menu or a time, also spa information. But what I use it for the most is ordering room service. You can order room service directly from the tablet. They're going to deliver it right to your Secrets box. So you just have that extra level of exclusivity. Now, if you are in a Preferred Club room, you can also upgrade some of the in-room amenities, including a pillow menu. So now we're out on the patio. You can see here you have 2 chairs and a table. This is that perfect place to have a cup of coffee, a cocktail, or from that large room service menu. But over here, this is an exclusive amenity of Preferred Club. What I like about this is it's a really nice large tub, perfect for 2 people. You've got a bench seat here, of course, looking out at your gorgeous ocean view. And then you have warm and cold controls here, so you can have it maybe a cool down plunge in the evening, or you can have a nice hot soak. Now, what this particular category is about, the reason you upgrade from that tropical view or partial ocean view is to get a great ocean view like this. You're looking inwards at the resort. You can see the ocean right in front of me. And to me, if you're going to Mexico and you're staying on the beach, you got to be looking at the ocean. Now, in addition to this great pool and the other preferred club amenities I pointed out inside the room, you're going to have exclusive access the whole time that you're here. You can take advantage of the preferred club lounge. They're going to have an upgraded bar menu in there. I generally get to know the bartenders there pretty well. They also have bites and food and things like that throughout the day for you. The concierge in there is going to be able to assist with all kinds of things throughout your stay, but essentially what it does is just makes you a little more of a VIP throughout your stay here. When you're ready to book this beautiful category or any suite at Dreams or Secrets, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we know that we can work together with you, your friends, and your family to create the vacation of a lifetime at an incredible value.